I'm gonna take a short jaunt to the other side. Got to fix it back from the shop today. Track bar adjusted. It was delayed and stuff, so Robert from RPM Performance out of Burlington didn't charge me for that. That was like a $75 fee, but the line was $130. So steering wheel's back to straight. Tire wear is going to be what the tire wear is going to be, because yeah, it's like do a new long arm or short arm and get the because with one of the short arm or a long arm kit, I'll get new control arm bushings and stuff. So outside that, I forget what the price is. I think it was what, $50 a pop. I don't know, a pair on for control arm bushings. So there's going to be work to be done. Well, listen, I don't remember what the numbers were. I'll have to try to interpret that for online. Like I did what I could front measuring, tape measure front to rear, how to deal with the toe in. They cover that on YouTube, a couple of videos and stuff. So also, I got to get the front glass from. I got to contact Novus in Anacortes for a new front glass. I'd like to get the exhaust rehung. I don't need a new exhaust, just rehung, because it's not hanging quite straight. So the back part near the suspension will make noise once in a while against the leaf spring assembly. So I don't know if I can rehang that myself or just farm it out to another shop and get that part done too. I just gotta wait and see. It is Thursday. Phixit does feel much better. They did what they could for alignment and stuff. Like I said, you know, you do a lift kit and you got an old vehicle and stuff, and they don't do the control arms, and you got 30-plus-year-old, you know, control arm bushings and stuff. It's like, yeah, it's not going to be within spec, which I wasn't expecting to them to bring it back to factory spec. But definitely just to get her to track better, so I'm not chewing up tires if I'm trying to get from shop to shop, whether it's like seats or, like I said, taking it to get to the front glass and stuff, being able to drive the vehicle, unless I have them come to the house and do it. I'm going up to see nephew right now. I'm going to bring him a Rockstar punched. He wanted a sugar-free, but it'll have to be this. Punch, that is. We're being bad having Rockstars. We're going to be drinking, eh? Just kidding, just kidding. Poor nephew, he'll have a Rockstar and it'll be all jacked up and nowhere to go. I guess he'll be doing beating real fast. Just kidding. Oh, so much to do. Somebody would probably like, well, how come you didn't get the front glass done first? It's like, well, let me see. Tires are more expensive. I think I said in our previous recording, I haven't posted it yet. I got used tires because I wasn't going to put new tires on here until I can get some more of the suspension completed. It's kind of halfway there. I'm thinking long arm. I actually, you mount it up there and you can adjust them independently, and then they have lock nuts. Some companies will make control arms and suspension parts and stuff and say it's adjustable, but in order to adjust it, you got to drop it. And it's like,